Hello YouTube, welcome to my new and improved guide on how to build the Lego washing machine. It's my new version, much better than the old one. I'll just show you the old one. As you can see, it should be in the middle of the screen right now. It should disappear now. Boom, it's gone. So basically how to do this, you're going to want to use one 2x4 piece, another 2x4 piece, put them like that. Then when you get them like that, you're going to want to have them like that. Get a piece with the stud on the side, put that on that there. Get just a normal white stud cube behind it, like that. Another one of these. You basically just want to do the same next to it with the cube stud again. Just place it in. So now it looks like that. Once you've done that, you're going to want to get a cube, a normal 2x4, put it on that, put that behind, get another 2x, sorry no, that was just a 2x2 right on there, and 2x4 on there. I'm going to do this again, 2x4 on the top, across this time, 2x4 across this time, so now it looks like that. So on the top you are going to want to put 4 ridge pieces, wait, like, well, there's 2 of them. There's another one there. So now that you've got that, you're going to want to work on the actual washing machine. You're going to want to get 2 clear pieces, clear studs. You can just about see them on there. Do that. And you're going to want to put a life preserver on the front. Looks like that. Next thing is put a red one on the top, green one, and a piece of circuitry. Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. There's your Lego washing machine. Bye bye.